Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's class, let's find out the value of x and y. Let's consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So basically from the equation 1, let's find out the value of y, which will be y is equals to 10 minus x. Let's put the value of this y into the equation 2, which will be equation 2 is x into y, which is equals to 10. So let's try to put the value of this y into the equation 2, which will be x into 10 minus x is equals to 10. Okay, so this will be 10 into x minus x square is equals to 10. Let's bring this 10 back on the left hand side. So it will be minus x square plus 10x minus, sorry I missed the x, minus 10 is equals to 0. So let's multiply with minus 1 on both the sides to correct the negation. So it will be x square minus 10x plus 10 is equals to 0 into minus 1 will be 0. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 10 and c is equals to 10. Let's apply the quadratic formula, and the formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus in square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Continuing on the next step, x is equals to, here b is equals to minus 10. So minus of minus 10 plus or minus b is minus 10 in the square root minus 10 square minus 4 into 1 into c is 10 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, so let's figure it out. What all values do we get? Minus 10, minus of minus 10 is 10 plus or minus in the square root. Minus 10 square is equals to 100 and minus 4 into 1 into 10 would be 40 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equals to 10 plus or minus 100 minus 40 is 60 and divided by 2. So here if you see, 60 can be written as 4 into 15. So let's try to apply this value instead of square root of 60. Here square root of 4 into 15 divided by 2. Okay. Now we know a formula, square root of a into b is equals to square root of a into square root of b. Let's apply the same value in the above equation. X is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 15 square root of 4 separately and whole divided by 2. So let's continue. 10 plus or minus square root of 4 would be 2 and into square root of 15 whole divided by 2. Now we know that 2 is common in numerator. X would be 2 in common, which will be 5 plus or minus only square root 15 divided by 2. Now we can cancel these 2 and continue on our value. So now you can see here clearly x is either 5 plus square root of 15 or 5 minus of square root 15. So basically we get the two different values of x. So now what we have to do is, there are two scenarios. We will consider them as a x1 and x2 for the values. So here x1 would be 5 plus square root of 15, whereas x2 would be 5 minus square root of 15. Okay, now we want to find out the value of y1 and y2, and now based on the equations we already know y is equals to 10 minus x. So here for the x1 and the x2 case, we are writing it separately as a y1 and y2. Let's continue with the x1 and y1. y1 is equals to 10 minus, place the value of x1 here, which is 5 plus square root of 15, which is equals to 10 minus 5 minus square root of 50 is equals to 10 minus 5 is 5 minus square root of 50. That is the value of y1 we have got. So let's park it aside for a being and let's continue on the x2, y2. y2 is equals to 10 minus 5 minus square root of 15 in bracket 10 minus 5 minus minus plus and square root of 50, which is nothing but 10 minus 5 is 5 plus square root of 50. That is the value of y2 we have find out. Now we have got the set of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Let's write it down cumulatively. x1 y1 in bracket is equals to 5 plus square root of 15 comma 5 minus square root of 50. That is one set, and x2 minus comma y2 is equals to 5 minus square root 15 comma 5 plus square root 50. Okay, so these are the values that we have received for x and y in two different sets. Now what we have to do is, we are going to satisfy our equation to make by using the value of x and y. Okay, I'm just writing it down so that people, if they are not listening to the audio and continuing with just the visuals, they should be getting the idea. Okay, let's continue. We know the equation x plus y is equals to 10. That was our equation 1. Let's start with the equation 1 only first. X is 5 plus square root of 15 is equals to, the value of y is 5 minus square root of 15 is equals to 10. Now we have to find out whether this left hand side and right hand side matches or not. You know that square root 15 minus square root 15, they get cancelled out, and 5 plus 5 is 10, which is nothing but 10 is equals to 10. That's why LHS is equals to RHS. So our equation 1 got satisfied with the set of values. Let's check the equation 2, xy is equals to 10. Here if you see a plus b, a minus b, this is the formation we have got, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So it is simple. 5 is our a and square root 15 is our b, which is a square minus b square, which is equals to 10. We just want to see whether the left hand side and right hand side matches. 5 square is 25, square root and square got cancelled, which is 15 is equals to 10. Are they correct? 25 minus 15 is equals to 10 is equals to 10. So left hand side and right hand side, they are equal. So we can clearly say that our value of x, which is 5 plus square root 15, and y 5 minus square root 15, they are just correct and they are satisfying our both the equations. And that's the end of our video. Hope you had great time solving this equation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.